आशा है एंड मैं असम से आई हूँ. सो बॉम्बे में फॉर दिस हाउस आई एम क्वाइट न्यू इन दिस एरिया. And when I started out here, when I first came, every wall had some kind of mark or something like that in it. They were dense. Then some of the handprints were there, so it looked messy. And the color was like the apartment beige that we often find. So it was very gloomy as well. This house had a lot of things, like it's a 1 BHK, so this was the living space. If you come here, this side is the kitchen and just opposite to that is the bathroom, and then again from here this is the bedroom space. I was trying to get it painted, I was trying to get it clean. So I started talking to local painters here, and it was very exhausting as a process. And then I came across aapkapainters.com. So I had a brief consultation with them, and they gave me a basic idea कि वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं. And then after that, they just within like 2 days they managed everything. They made my booking. They gave me a realistic quote also, and it was a very rush mini coat kind of a thing, a very rush job. So it's a Sunday and everybody wants a Sunday for themselves, but despite that they really came today with all materials prepared, and they did the entire 1 BHK space in like about 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours. So this was something which was quite experimental for them and very stress free for me. And actually as a renter, it becomes very difficult to coordinate everything with painters, with repairs. So this entire process with Aapka Painters was very collaborative, and it was very rewarding actually. They did quality work in less time and also made my space beautiful. So it was a win-win for both of us.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.